Westy Window Wagon, new products from WCR. John Lee here with a brand new product from WCR. This is a Unger scrub pad. This fits on the Unger 24K and Unger carbon composite, the oval shaped pole. Give you a little idea and details of how this works. When you order it, you'll get the scrub pad itself. You also get 5 of these white scrub pads that fit it. It actually slides over. This is your gooseneck. It goes down in your pole. It actually slides into the gooseneck. It's oval shaped, so it has a, as long as you line it up, it'll go in there. Then you slide this down in the top of your pole. The first thing you need to do is fit the pads on this. I'll go over with you exactly how to do that. Okay. You'll take the pad here. You'll see this is spines to Velcro to the pad. Even though it's not actually Velcro, these don't wear out. These are actually hard plastic made spines, so they're not going to wear out or come unglued. Okay, very typical of Unger, well engineered. But if you can lay this over the pad here, line it up, pull it down, and what I found, what works best is using a scraper to push it underneath, because it does overlap a little bit. If you take that scraper and just push it under on either side, just to get it started, or just to get it where it'll hold a little bit. You can see I'm pushing it in here. Okay, let's try it again. I had it a little too far overlapped. So if you get it almost even with this, then it will just push underneath. Okay, you get one side in, switch over to the other side. See here, and then I will slide this in. Have to work it a little bit to get it to slide underneath this. Okay, so I got it in now. Now, what I didn't cover with you before is you use this yellow turnkey to create the space here. Once you have the pad slid in, you'll tighten it by turning clockwise this gear, this yellow gear. Basically what it does is it tightens down the pad, tightens down on the pad. So now you have the pad on here, okay? And this is the side that you're going to scrub with. So if this is a glass surface, it's going to be, so I love the shape of it. It actually has a, I don't know, a curved shape, so it's getting good flat on the glass. Okay, and it slides on here. All right, it does have a clamp here that allows you to loosen and tighten this mechanism here. This and then of course you'd slip it into your pole, scrub the window if there's something on there that's not coming off with the brush. This here, it's a pretty aggressive brush, nylon in boar's hair. Then you would just flip it around, scrub it with this, and being the size of it, only being about 4 inches, you're going to get really good pressure on scrubbing that. Again, John Lee, Westy Window Wagon, new products from WCR. You can follow me here, DM me here at John WCR, call or text anytime. My info's in the bio. New products from WCR.